Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make an instant gulab jamun mix. Here I've used the MTR brand. You can use any brand of your choice, and here the step-by-step procedure has to be followed to get a round, fluffy, soft gulab jamun. So do check out this video, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this gulab jamun. So today I'll be trying this MTR Gulab Jamun mix. For that I'll take this into a plate. I'm going to take 1/4 cup of water. You can use milk as well. Add a spoon of oil. For sugar syrup, add 500 grams of sugar. Add equal amount of water. Add 1 elaichi. So let's check if this is done. This is done, and we can switch off the flame, and I'll remove this in another vessel. Add the hot fried gulab jamuns in the syrup and let this get soaked. Meantime, we'll fry the other gulab jamuns. So now we need to soak these gulab jamuns for at least 3 to 4 hours, and then we can serve. So here the hot gulab jamuns are ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.